Guys, guess what? We saw the bird leave its nest and try to fly. We caught it. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we caught it. Look at him. Hey, buddy. Uh-oh. It's okay, buddy. I'm gonna name you Bob. Hello, Bob. Do you want to get out? I'm gonna put you back in your nest. Okay? Ewa, come here. Take it.
What?
Okay, video.
I'm starting it.
Hey, buddy. Would you like to hop in? Wait, can you move? Think you're stuck? Oh, no, buddy. That's not food. Need you to hop in? No. Hey, no, I don't have any food. No. Hop in. Uh-oh. Hey, buddy. Oh, fuck.
I seems that mom came. We didn't know that the mom would come.
Okay, our dad came and he's putting them back in their nests.